Welcome back to CatchyPuzzles. Now get ready to challenge your cosmic knowledge with our ultimate astronomy quiz. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. Keep track of your score and don't forget to comment your final score at the end of the video. Let's dive in and see how many you can guess correctly. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more fun and learning videos. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? Jupiter. Ready for the next one? Here it comes. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mercury, Mars, Venus, or Neptune? Mars. Feeling confident? Try this one. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Andromeda, Whirlpool, Milky Way, Triangulum. Milky Way. Still with me? Try this question. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury, or Mars? It's Mercury. Let's go to the next one. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Yuri Gagarin, or Michael Collins? Neil Armstrong. Let's dive into the next one. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus, Mercury, Earth, or Mars? It's Venus. Here's one to keep you thinking. Ready? What is a supernova? A black hole, a dying star explosion, a comet, or a planet? It's a dying star explosion. What is the second largest planet in the solar system? Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, or Jupiter? It's Saturn. Ready for next one? Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, or Uranus? It's Jupiter. Staying sharp, try this question out. How long does light from the sun take to reach Earth? 8 minutes, 1 hour, 8 seconds, or 8 hours? It's 8 minutes. No time to pause, here comes your next challenge. What is the closest star to Earth? Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri, the Sun, or Sirius? It's the Sun. Another question coming at you. Stay focused. What force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Magnetism, nuclear force, gravity, or electromagnetic force? It's gravity. Here's one to keep you on your toes. Which planet is tilted on its side? Uranus, Neptune, Earth, or Jupiter? It's Uranus. Next round, ready to go. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Mercury, Venus, or Pluto? It's Mercury. Feeling confident? Try this one. Which planet has the great red spot? Venus, Jupiter, Mars, or Neptune? It's Jupiter. Ready for the next one? Here it comes. How many Earths could fit inside the Sun? 10, 100, 1 million, or 1,000? It's 1 million. Test time again. Give this one your best shot. What is the name of Saturn's largest moon? Europa, Titan, Callisto, or Ganymede? It's Titan. I know it was the difficult one. Which planet has rings made of ice and rock? Neptune, Mars, Saturn, or Venus? It's Saturn. You're doing great. Let's keep it up with this one. What is the distance from the Earth to the Sun? 93 million miles, 93,000 miles, 9.3 billion miles, or 9.3 million miles? It's 93 million miles. I know it was the easy one. Let's move ahead. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus, Earth, Mars, or Jupiter? It's Venus. You're doing great. Let's keep it up with this one. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus, Mars, Mercury, or Neptune? It's Venus. You're doing great. Let's keep it up with this one. What is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? Andromeda, Pinwheel, Whirlpool, or Sombrero? It's Andromeda. Let's keep it going. Which element is the sun primarily made of? Oxygen, carbon, helium, or hydrogen? It's hydrogen. Now try this question. Which planet is known for its extreme winds? Neptune, Mars, Earth, Jupiter? It's Neptune. Let's move on to the next question. What shape is the Milky Way galaxy? Spiral, elliptical, regular, or spherical? It's spiral. Keep it going. Here's the next one. How many planets are in our solar system? 7, 9, 8, or 10? It's 8. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go! What is a light year a measure of? Time, distance, light intensity, or speed? It's distance. Think you can get the next one? Here it comes. What is the surface of the sun called? Corona, chromosphere, core, or photosphere? It's photosphere. Let's keep the momentum. Next question. What is the name of the first artificial satellite? Hubble, Sputnik, Luna, or Apollo? It's Sputnik. Another one for you? Stay sharp. Which planet has the highest mountain in the solar system? Mars, Earth, Venus, or Mercury? Mars. Feeling confident? Try this one. What is the name of Earth's only natural satellite? Mars, Sunday, Moon, or Europa? It's Moon. Let's dive into the next one. What is the term for the boundary around a black hole? Event horizon, singularity, photon sphere, or Schwarzschild radius? It's event horizon. Moving along, here's what's next. Which planet is furthest from the sun? Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, or Saturn? It's Neptune. Let's move on to the next question. What is the name of the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt? Ceres, Vesta, Eros, or Ida? It's Ceres. Let's see if you're on a roll. What phenomenon causes the twinkling of stars? Atmospheric turbulence, solar flares, star rotation, or gravitational waves? It's atmospheric turbulence. Get ready. Next question. Which planet has a storm called the Great Dark Spot? Neptune, Mars, Jupiter, or Uranus? It's Neptune. Let's move on to the next question. Which planet is known for its bright reflective clouds? Venus, Saturn, Mars, or Mercury? It's Venus. Here's one to keep you thinking. Ready? How old is the universe estimated to be? 13.8 billion years, 4.6 billion years, 100 million years, or 1 trillion years? It's 13.8 billion years. What are comets primarily made of? Metal, ice and dust, rock, or gas? It's ice and dust. Don't lose steam, here's another. What is the study of celestial objects called? Astrology, astrobiology, astronomy, or cosmology? It's astronomy. Think you've got this? Next question. Which planet has the largest known volcano? Mars, Earth, Venus, or Mercury? It's Mars. Let's keep things rolling. Here's the next one. What is the name of the dwarf planet beyond Neptune? Haumea, Eris, Makemake, or Pluto? It's Pluto. Keep those answers coming. Here's another. What is the largest type of star called? Red dwarf, white dwarf, supergiant, or neutron star? It's supergiant. Let's see what you've got next. How many moons does Earth have? 2, 1, 4, or 3? It's 1. On to the next question. What does the term exoplanet refer to? A planet outside our solar system, a rogue asteroid, a planet inside the solar system, or a dying star? It's a planet outside our solar system. Ready for more? Which planet rotates in the opposite direction to most planets? Mars, Uranus, Venus, or Neptune? It's Venus. Here's one to keep you thinking. Ready? What is the second closest planet to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mars, or Mercury? It's Venus. Here's one to keep you thinking. What do we call the path a planet takes around the Sun? Orbit, rotation, revolution, or ellipse? It's orbit. And we're not done yet. Here's what's next. Which planet is named after the Roman god of war? Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, or Venus? It's Mars. Final stretch, here's your last question. What are Saturn's rings made of? Dust and ice, metal, gas, or fire? It's dust and ice. Great job making it to the end of our astronomy quiz. How many answers did you get right? Don't forget to share your score in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you did. If you enjoyed this quiz, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fun learning videos. Thanks for joining us and keep reaching for the stars. See you next time.